Welcome to the press conference preview of the match between Moca FC versus Moca FC of the Caribbean Cup Concacaf 2025. Along to introduce at the midfield head coach Theodore Tappa Whitmore and Demario Phillips, player of Moca FC. I remind you that for French language, you can only just stand and introduce yourself with your name and your organization so and then you will move forward. Uh, a busy schedule for the most present team. We played last Tuesday, we played in Jamaica Premier League with the opening match on Sunday, we traveled Monday, and we did after on Wednesday. Talking about the mission.
Well, yes, good morning to all and welcome to the Dam Rep. I think the schedule doesn't hinder us much. Is something that we are prepared for. We know what it would be like. So I think we have enough in our tank to go.
Demario clear one spot one.
Yeah.
Well, what's the news right? You know, I pick up one on the
Well, the players are very happy. They're pumped up. The training this morning was very intense. So we have to just focus. We drew 2-2 on Sunday. That's past us already. So next game is on Wednesday. And we also have to go out there and get the job done.
Well, my name is Demario Phillips. I represent Luhocio.com. Luho like studies. I I don't very speak good English, but I want to tell you that here we want to feel pleasant, like your name. But I'm not sure you're going to be pleasant from the ground. Nevertheless, I say you welcome you to the telephone.
Yeah. Well, look at Friday. You expect from Mocha.
Well, and we expect a tough challenge. They are playing at home. You know, they will have the 12 man behind them, but it's football. It's 11v11 on the pitch, and at the end of the day, it's on the pitch that count. So once we can go out there and execute, then shouldn't be a problem.
Talking about the new signing, because clearly with your busy schedule, you will need quality players out there constantly rotate. I know we spoke in the last interview, with the next somebody that you are working some players, not to say, we do, but more important is that perhaps the quality is there.
Very important. The depth in any squad where a coach can select players from is always, a plus. And again, we have to balance the team the right way. We know we're going to travel. We know the tough task at hand, which is the Concacaf Club Championship, and we look forward to it. So that's where our focus and our focus on tomorrow's game is 3 points.
Our training session was complete with the marriage. Not sure we don't have.
We had a very good preseason, so I don't think the legs will really take a toll on us. It's what our mind, and our mind is on the game. So if we have a game next 2 days or next 3 days, we're always prepared and ready for it.
Well, I wouldn't say a rotation. We are here as one team. We have 24 players and all who is available. So we're gonna look on the squad and try as best as possible to put the best team on the pitch at all times to counter our opponent.
You won't be without your 11 man. Most of them support is really part of the what is still the quality players. They will make it coach tomorrow. But I think it's a feeling and so from the experience of the contact leadership.
Well, again, it's just the mindset. You know, the mindset. As I said before, we came here on a mission. This is a tournament that we didn't do well in the last time around. So again, we start off on a good note. I think consistency is gonna be important, and the key for tomorrow game is how we execute on the pitch.
Which idea you would have about something you can follow with Moca FC?
Well, over the past couple of seasons, Moca FC has been a force to reckon. Yeah, they've been doing well. We have a Clifford, who you would have known about. So, yes, I think the Mocha FC is doing great things in Damarik.
We're here to do over and off every Caribbean. So like you said, the last 4 years, did be so, you know, more said, other years, former teams, they made it come to where they started running. The teams have been making the Caribbean sports more interesting. Are you pleased with you so far of the concept?
Well, yes, trust me, it's something that we look forward to. As I said before, the last time around we weren't in there, and what Cavalier has done for our local league as well. So again, it gives us the push, the drive. So again, the players, the staff, the management all know what is at stake. So we just have to go out there and do it.
Demario, so, Lamar went on, signing the Moca FC, and one in the signing the city, and the both of you, what was the agreement of the company, the Moca FC, in the local student, and what it comes from this?
Well, we have been playing for a couple of years. Uh, we're looking forward for a great season. We'll be pulling the strings together, but it's level players that is out there. So we want to bring our addition to the team. Uh, he's more of a midfielder, I'm a wing back. So they will be the force going forward. But we're gonna make it exciting. The team is fully pumped up. We're not gonna be overconfident, but we're confident.
Well, I think we are confident, but as Demario said, we're not overconfident. We want to at all time we want to respect the opponent. We want to respect the game, and as such, we treat it that way.
Thank you. We thank Coach Theodore Tappa Whitmore, Theodore Phillips, for your time. Remember that you can find us on these conferences on the Concacaf meeting. Thank you.
Thank you.